Hi, I'm Katheryn. I wrote my book, Better Brain Healing, Nutritional and Spiritual Healing for the Brain, and started this channel to help other families going through a very difficult situation after their loved one has a traumatic brain injury or stroke, and do educational videos on how to make blended bolus tube feeding recipes that can be fed to your loved one, and your caregivers, the CNAs, the nurses, volunteers can watch these videos and learn how they can feed it to their patients and loved ones. I wish I had something like this to watch and learn from in 2010 when my daughter Jorn was in an auto accident and suffered a traumatic brain injury. They gave me to give to her was processed canned enteral formula to feed her, and they did not talk to me about any other ways of feeding her. At that time, she also battled various infections such as MRSA, Pseudomonas, bronchitis, pneumonia, and sepsis that went to her brain, causing her to have an additional brain injury. When I brought her home on hospice in a persistent vegetative state, I prayed to God to show me a way that she could be saved. That is when I started making and blending and feeding her the healthy recipes that had helped me heal from lymphoma just 2 years earlier. In just a few days, the positive changes in Jorn were amazing. After starting the new diet, her secretions cleared up and she was sleeping through the night. Because her secretions cleared up, she was then able to get the tracheotomy tube removed that had been put in to provide an airway and to remove secretions from her lungs. Cognitively, she was more alert. She was moving more and following me with her eyes and focusing on us when we talked to her. Within a week, her contractures and spasticity had improved and she was not storming anymore. I was able to also discontinue giving her suppositories for her bowel program because she started going once or twice daily on her own. Her immune system improved and she stopped getting infections. She was smiling and happy and laughing. She stopped drooling, which had been a problem since her accident. She was able to hold her head upright in her wheelchair on her own. She was able to sit upright in her wheelchair unassisted. Her arms and legs had atrophied due to poor diet and disuse, but after the new bolus feedings, she gained weight and muscle tone. She began speaking in small sentences. "I'm hungry," she said, which is something they said would not be ever possible for her because of her type of brain injury. I hope our story and my book, Better Brain Healing, Nutritional and Spiritual Healing for the Brain, will help you and your loved ones on your healing journey. Thank you for watching, and God bless.